If you want more accurate Google search results, use these plugins and services to better search on Google. There is a section on the Google image search page below the search bar called Tools. If you want to make the search for images more limited and accurate, you can use this tool to specify the characteristics of the photo you want. By clicking on this section, you will be given options that we will describe in the following video. In the section Size, you can select the size of your desired image. For example, selecting large will show you all large images, and if you select larger, then you can enter all the images to see all related images that are larger than the desired size. Subscribe our YouTube channel to watch the rest of this video and more. Using the color option, you can narrow the search range by selecting full color, black and white, and so on. In some countries, copyright law is very important and the use of photos must be with the permission of the owner. With the option Usage Rights, you can see only images that the owner of the photo has allowed other users to reuse. To remove paid images from search results, you can use the methods to hide stock images in Google. The image type can be selected with the type option. For example, if you want to search for moving images, you must select Animated. The time feature allows users to search for photos that have been published in a specific time period. To see the quality and size of the images in the corner of each image, you can enable Show Sizes from the menu More Tools. By clicking Clear button, you can clear all the filters and restrictions you have selected to return the search to its normal state. If you want to search for a photo with a specific file type, you can easily do it with a trick. Just type file type PNG after the search subject and enter. In this case, Google will only show you PNG format images. Obviously, instead of PNG, you can import other formats such as JPEG or BMP or etc. After searching, you will see that a section has been added in the tools bar to select the file type. You can also use this menu to change the file type of search images. One of the interesting features of Google Photo Search is that you can search for similar photos on the web with one photo. To do this, click on the camera icon in the Google Image section and select and upload your desired photo from your computer in the Upload an Image section. You can also give the URL of another image from the Paste an Image URL section so that Google can find similar images for you. Google has recently released an application in the field of photography, and you do not miss with Google Lens. By doing this, Google will try to do the best search, and you will see that in many cases it will find very similar images. This method is one of the best ways to get information from a photo. Of course, if you are using Chrome browser, you can search for similar items in Google by holding down the S key on the keyboard and right-clicking on the image you want. In early 2018, Google decided to remove the View Image button from the Access to Image section of its search. This has many drawbacks and makes it difficult to access the images you are looking for. Normally, to download the desired photo, you have to go to the publisher's website and do it from there. But in some cases, accessing and downloading these images from the relevant site is not easy. To restore the image view button to Google Search, just install on Google Chrome and Firefox browser extensions. By installing this plugin, in addition to adding the ability to directly access images, you can also use Google Image Search directly. By using specific phrases, you can narrow down the scope of your internet photo search. For example, if you enter a site after the phrase site and then a domain, Google will only search for that topic of interest on the website. Or if you use the minus sign before the word, Google will search for exactly the phrase, which will give you more accurate images. If you are not interested in using specific search terms, you can select Advanced Search in the Google Image menu from the Advanced Search Settings menu to open the Photo Information Search tab for you, and you can use multiple search options to make your search more accurate. Have you ever forgotten to download a photo? It is definitely very difficult to find it again. To solve this problem, you can use Google's Save Image feature. To use this feature, first click on a photo to open a separate section for it, then click the Save button, then desired photo will be saved for you in Google. Then whenever you want, you can click on any photo and click on Saved to see your saved images in a folder called Favorite Images. You can also view these saved images by logging into your saved images. Note that you must be logged in to your Google account to use this feature.